Physics department. Let us solve some problems in spherical mirrors. Number 1. An object 5 cm tall is placed in 1 meter from concave mirror, spherical mirror, which has a radius of curvature 20 cm. So given that R is equal to 20 cm and this mirror is nothing but a concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay. And we know that for sign conventions the concave mirror radius of curvature is nothing but negative, so R is equal to minus 20 cm and F is nothing but minus 10 cm. Why? Because R is equal to 2F. R is equal to 2F and F is equal to R by 2, so R is nothing but to minus 20 cm, so F is equal to minus 10 cm. And the height of the object is given by HO is equal to 5 cm. Height of the object is nothing but 5 cm and is placed 1 meter from the concave mirror, and U is equal to minus 1 meter. Now let us consider this is the concave mirror. Okay, this is the object height and 5 cm and it is a distance from 1 meter from the concave mirror. Okay, now U is equal to minus 1 meter. And HO, height of the object, is along y-axis, positive y-axis, so it is given as a positive sign. These are the sign conventions, we already know that. Now let us find first of all what is the image distance. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V. We know that F is nothing but it is given minus 10 cm and 1 by V minus 1 meter. This is 10 cm minus 10 cm and this is 1 meter means 100 cm. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 100 minus 1 by 10, that is equal to 10 minus 100 by 100 into 10, and 1 by V is equal to minus 90 by 100 into 10. So this is get cancelled and V is equal to 100 by 9. This is the image distance. So the image formed by the object is given by V is equal to minus 100 by 9 cm. Okay students, now let us find magnification. So M is equal to HI by HO and this is equal to minus V by U. This is the formula. Okay students, so we know that M is equal to, actually it is the question is asking to find the size of the image, that means height of the image. So the question is asking to find the size of the image. So what happens, let us find height of the image. So HI by HO is nothing but HI by 5 is equal to minus of V by U, and V is nothing but how much, V minus 100 by 9. So minus 100 by 9 into object distance is nothing but U minus 1 meter, that means 100 cm. So minus 100 cm. So minus and minus get cancelled, 100 get cancelled. So HI is equal to what happens, minus 5 by 9. So HI, that is equal to, so minus of 5 by 9 is nothing but 0.55. And continuous. So HI is nothing but so minus indicates, what is that minus indicate? It is inverted image, that means height of the object is in the positive y direction and image height is nothing but inverted distance. So this minus indicates that the image is inverted image. So according to the question is given that so find height of the image is nothing but that means size of the image is nothing but 0.11 into x centimeter, and this is nothing but 0.55 centimeter. So if you take common 5, so what happens, 0.11 into x is equal to 0.11 into 5. So this one is cancelled, so x is equal to 5. This is the right option. Thank you. Hello students, let us move to that another question. A concave mirror is used to focus the image of a flower on a nearby 120 centimeter from the flower. Now this is the concave mirror, and this is the principal axis, and this is the pole. Let us consider this point is nothing but focus, and this is the object distance. Okay, the concave mirror is used to focus the image of a flower on nearby 120 centimeter from the flower. So let us consider this is the object. Let us consider this is the object, and it is a flower. Now the concave mirror is focus the image of a flower nearby 120 centimeter from the flower. That means now this is the image formed by the concave mirror, and the image is saying in the question indirectly that 120 centimeter from the flower. That means U is the object, it is the flower, and U is the object. Now image is at a distance 120 centimeter from the flower, that means object. So this is nothing but 120 centimeter. Now according to the diagram, the image distance is given by V is equal to 120 plus U, and this distance is nothing but U. Okay, this distance is nothing but U. Now it is a lateral magnification, so M is equal to minus 16, and let us apply sign conventions. So U is the object distance, it is in the left side, so minus U, and V is nothing but minus 120 centimeter plus U. Okay, let us apply sign convention. So let us apply one formula. M is equal to minus V by U. Okay, so M is equal to minus 16, that is equal to minus of V by U, and V is nothing but minus 120 plus U divided by and minus U. Okay, here minus get cancelled and minus get cancelled here. So 16 into U is equal to 120 plus U, that implies, and take here minus, so U, so 16 U minus U is equal to 120, therefore 15 U is equal to 120, that implies U is equal to 8 centimeter. This is the right option.